Over the last year, Oregon State University students teamed up with healthcare workers have been going to randomly selected homes in Corvallis, offering up free COVID-19 testing.
It's an important quantity to know to understand what's going to happen in the pandemic in the future.
Scientist Ben DL is leading the first-of-its-kind project called Trace COVID-19. Its goal, to understand the prevalence of the virus in the community. In the very first weekend of sampling done in April of last year, the findings suggested about 2 people per 1,000 in the Corvallis community had the virus when they were tested. The findings from the latest round of testing?
Our estimate is that 3 in 1,000 of the population in Corvallis would test positive for PCR if we tested everybody.
Which is good news, considering 3 months earlier, sampling showed a prevalence more than 4 times higher.
So we're seeing some communities having just really declining prevalence, and other places it's flatlined or even started increasing again. This phase of the pandemic is probably going to play out very differently in different places.
In addition to the COVID testing, the volunteers also offered antibody tests as well as vaccinations. Most agreed to get the antibody test.
What I was most surprised by was the really high participation in the antibody testing, given that folks would not be able to access their result.
DL says of those sampled who had not yet been vaccinated, about a quarter agreed to get the shot.
You know, whether it's a convenience thing or an ability to actually make it to a vaccination site thing, but there are folks out there who would like to receive it who just haven't been able to do so yet.
DL hopes to expand these samplings to areas with lower vaccination rates to help the state reach its 70% vaccination goal and find out just how immune communities are. Keely Chalmers, KGW News.